Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. Yes, the mop that sounds like it could also double as a superhero, and the GorFanty Steam Mop, which is basically a 10-in-1 cleaning Swiss Army knife. Who will come out on top? Grab your rubber gloves and let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The BISSELL Powerfresh is coming in hot at $164, while our GorFanty friend is a little more budget-friendly at $139. Reviewers of the GorFanty have praised its affordability and cost-saving benefits, making it a great option for those on a budget. However, customers also mention that the BISSELL Powerfresh, while pricier, offers exceptional cleaning quality that some feel justifies its higher price. So if you're trying to save a few bucks for that pizza delivery later, GorFanty might just be your mop of choice. But hey, you pay for quality, right? Or so they say. Next, let's see which mop is easier to handle. The BISSELL has a 25-foot power cord, which is great for cleaning those hard-to-reach places, like that mystery spot under your couch that you haven't cleaned since 2019. Reviewers have noted its ease of use and effective cleaning capabilities, although some mentioned that it can feel heavy during extended use. Meanwhile, the GorFanty boasts a 23-foot cord and is designed to be lightweight and flexible. Users have highlighted its lightweight design and long cord as positive features. So whether you're doing the cha-cha while cleaning or just trying not to trip over the cord, both mops have got you covered. But if you're more of a let's not trip over the cord kind of person, GorFanty wins this round. Now let's get functional. The BISSELL is a powerful handheld steam cleaner and mop in one, meaning it can tackle your floors and then jump into action as a handheld cleaner for those pesky stains. Reviewers have praised its versatility and effectiveness across various surfaces. It even comes with a storage kit for all your cleaning tools, so you'll never have to search for that grout tool again. Meanwhile, the GorFanty is a 10-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner that includes a whopping 10 accessories. Users have been highly impressed with its versatility, power, and convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. But seriously, do you really need 10 ways to clean your toilet? I mean, one way is usually enough, unless you're preparing for a visit from your in-laws. Sanitization is key, especially if you have kids or pets running around. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the power of steam. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing various surfaces, making it a top choice for those concerned about allergens. So if you're looking for a mop that's practically a germ-fighting ninja, this one's for you. But wait, GorFanty also promises to eliminate the same percentage of stubborn stains and germs without any chemicals. Users have praised its ability to clean effectively without harsh chemicals, making it a natural cleaning marvel. But let's be honest, if you're trying to sanitize your home, you probably shouldn't be relying solely on steam. Maybe throw in some good old-fashioned elbow grease too. Let's talk heat. The GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds. Perfect for those, oops, unexpected guests moments. Reviewers have been impressed with how quickly it heats up and how well it cleans various surfaces. Meanwhile, the BISSELL doesn't specify its heat-up time, but we all know that cleaning shouldn't take an eternity. Reviewers have mentioned the BISSELL's quick heating time as a plus, but some have noted issues with steam output consistency during extended use. If we're being real, GorFanty wins this round with its speedy setup, unless you enjoy the quiet hum of your mop heating up while you contemplate your life choices. In summary, both the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers appreciate the BISSELL for its power and versatility, while the GorFanty is praised for its affordability and multifunctional capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific cleaning needs and preferences. So who's the ultimate cleaning champion? If you're looking for a versatile steam mop that won't break the bank, the GorFanty might just be your best friend. But if you want a bit more power and a love for pets, the BISSELL Powerfresh is hard to beat. At the end of the day, both mops have their strengths, and it really comes down to your personal cleaning style. Let us know in the comments below which mop you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product showdowns. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye!